depois você se do... Depois do... Oh, get orchestra. Oh, that felt good. Oh yeah. And done. BJ Fit. Hit that subscribe button. You're wet right now. Oh, thank God. Oh. Excuse me. Good pizza. That's making a weird noise. Tums. Okay. This is education. I remember my science lessons like. Tim, that's disgusting. You've been holding that same piece for like 5 minutes. You left yourself all the crusties. Oh, that was a good one. Wow. How sad would that be? Record. Eat a large Pizza Hut stuffed crust pizza in under 18 minutes. First of all, good luck. Não acharam que eu comi tanto. Caralho, você viu seu... Ó.
Nossa senhora, viado.
Ah, deu. Ó, o nível de tempo de arroto já indica o quanto que tá cheio.
Mano, você é louco, mano. Só esses 3 ovos que os caras colocaram aí nessa. Ninguém mandou aparecer, viado.
Detalhe.
Foi triplo.
Porra, isso não é pra ser.
Olá.
Aí eu tô tomando uma Fanta aqui, ó.
I... Oh, that's for sure going to... Yeah, for the challenge.
There we go.
Is there anything else you'd like to add, John?
That's it.
Alright, cool. Yeah,
The
I was
same feed, dude.
like... I feel weird if we're taking our time. I feel like we could spend it. Yeah, because then you can fit more in your stomach if you're standing up.
Oh.
Looking like a mini slide.
It'll cause me pain.
I was gonna say, this is just enough to like... Well, we really did a number.
There you go, you got it.
Recognize what it is and be like, nah, we've had enough.
Oh,
praise.
oh.
Honestly, a lot.
And the repetition, man, you start to feel.
If I had to do that the whole time, no way.